So let us cover example of enumerate keyword, which is used in the loops. Okay, enumerate syntax is enumerate iterable start equal 0. It is used for list data structures, tuple data structure and string data structure. Okay, simple example, activities that you do. Suppose you plan the activities, you wake up early in the morning. This is the activities list. एक activity list है, wake up, first activity, brush teeth, second activity, have breakfast, go school, do homework. This is a list. So what I do, I want to print it. So what I do, for index in activities, print index. For I in data structure, print I. What I get here, wake up, brush teeth, okay, have breakfast, go to school, do homework, play and sleep. But here the problem is I do not know the number of play activity. What is the play activity number? I don't know. Go to school activity number, I have to check 1, 2, 3, 4. So how do I create that? I create that with the help of enumerator. Okay, index start, index by default 0. So I just modify the same syntax. What I do, same as for loop, replace activities by enumerate activities in comma start equal to 1. Okay, replace index by index comma activity, and print index, replace print index by print index comma activity. Okay, activity. So when you run this code, what happened now? See, initially I get all the activity but without numbers. There are no numbers. But when I use this syntax, now I get activity number. Wake up, brush teeth, have breakfast, go to school. I can easily label activity number with the activity. Suppose I want to start from 10. What will happen? Activity start from 10, 11, 12. And even if I skip here, still I get the output. Clear? So this is the keyword. It's optional. You may not start or not. Okay? With the 0, 1 kilta 1, 2. Okay? If I make it 100, then 100. Clear, Jala?
Yes.
So replace, just remember the syntax. Just replace index by index activity. Any variable, you give here ABC, don't worry. ABC. Okay? Then here, what you have to do? ABC. Simpler. That's it. You give any name. Okay, just a minute for index for abstract. Control Z, index comma ABC. Run the code. Okay, see, you give any name, you give that name here. That's it. समझ ना? नवीन क्या ऐड केले? Index ऐड केले. And here by default this 100 is assigned to the index. Don't get confused. Or I can write here A1. काय ना हो गया A1 and give here A1. समझ ले? सोपा है? I have cleared all your doubts?
Yes.
Okay? You want to change the order? Yes, you can write like this. समझ ले order? Okay, you can write like this. A1, okay, index. A1 ABC. ABC. आता काय येईल? A1 ABC सॉरी. समजलं? प्रिवियसली कुठे येत होतं आउटपुट? राईट साईडला होतं. मी असं करतो परत. So in multiple ways you can write the program. Don't get confused. Okay? But to do the experimentation, continuous experimentation. जे काय केलं मी? ABC A1. A1. See the output. समजलं? 100 वेकअप 100. काय केलं मी इथं? I just change the order. सोपं आहे? It's good. Okay, next is dynamic input from user. Dynamic input from user. This is the static input ना. इथे जी लिस्ट कशी static होती. I have taken the list in the program. I want to take the input from the user. For that, use the input. Okay. And enter number of activity in input. Okay. And this is the integer int. Okay. Int. समझ लो बेटा? We can see this green keyword. Green opening and closing round bracket. blue opening and closing round bracket. Clear है? And here create an empty list. This activity array. Same activity for I in range n. Okay, n मध्ये input झालं. For I in range n, enter activity number and activity dot append. Append is the function of method of list. So activity get appended and directly I have printed activity. Okay, for activity in activity, or just I do for A in activity. A in activity, print A. Okay, let us run the code. See here what number of activities there. I suppose I write 4. Okay, I suppose brush. Okay, then gym, then I eat, then I work. Enter. Now you can see here your activity brush, gym, eat, work. Here activity with number. समझ what is different between this program, previous program? Here we take input from user, number of activity, append list. Same I can do for tuple. Okay, tuple activity TA equal to tuple activity. Okay, what I do here, same thing I will do for tuple also. Okay, that's what I do. I just copy the same logic for tuple. एवढं समजलं ना? आता मी काय करतो, I just copy this code. I create new code for tuple. I replace activity by that's it, tuple. झालं, एवढंच करायचं आहे. Yes, that's it. Run the code. Enter number of activity 4. Okay, brush. Okay. Okay, append नहीं है तिथं. Okay, इथे append नहीं है. I think I have to use AI. Okay, let me check. Explain error. I have to take AI. Tuple do not have append activity. So what I have to do? That object dot index. Accept and run. Okay. Check it. Okay, what changes are done? Activities. काय झालं इथं? ठीक आहे, number of activities was 3. So here what we do, we take input in the list, activity list, and convert the list into tuple. Convert list to tuple using this function tuple. Okay, activities. Okay, this activity list is the list and this is activity is the tuple. And afterwards your daily activity, just print activity, you get tuple. You just check it. I just run this. Number of activities, suppose 3. I just write A, B, B, C, C so that I can save the time. Now see here, your daily activities tuple A, B, B, C, C, activity with number A, B, C. समजलं काय केलं? So your daily activity I got without for loop. I have directly printed an activity with number. Okay, same enumerate syntax. So this is simple example using tuple, not using list. Okay, काय केलेलं आहे? Same code आहे, activity same code as it is घेतलेला आहे. Only one thing is we convert into tuple. That's it. This is the only thing you have learned in this short video. ठीक आहे, बाकी सगळं same आहे. And you can see the output in terms of tuples. Okay, and there is another way to do the same activity using tuple. What you do, instead of list you take tuples, activities tuples. Okay, and here you write plus activities plus equal to activity. Comma is very important. If you do not give the comma, then you will get the error. Run the code. Number of activity, suppose 4. Okay, I exercise, then I take nutrition, juice, then I bath, and I work. What I get here? You get tuple and activity number. Okay, समझ Okay, great. Okay, this is the by mistake. Okay, next same example already we have covered. Static array, apple, banana, cherry, date, and you see the output. Apple at position 0, apple 1. Same example है. Okay, enumerate. ठीक है? Enumerate for string. So input is here string. Word equal to school. This is the string data. We have seen list, tuple, now it is string. For index in word, what I get? the SCHHOL, I get the output SCHHOL, school. This output. For enumerate, replace index by index comma letter, word by enumerate word. That's it. By default, it starts from 0. So index letter, print index letter. You can see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Even if you are not mentioning the index, it takes 0. I want 1. If you run the code, you get 1 index 1. Clear? Eh? Here the example of static tuples. Static tuples. Run the code. You see the wake up, exercise, eat, break, sleep. Okay. For index in daily routine, print index, and here replace index by index activity, enumerate by daily routine by this. Run the code. That's it. So here we have covered in this video. What did we cover? Tuple, enumerate using list, tuple and string. Okay. Thank you.